Hello, those of you who are applying for a mortgage or maybe have just closed on one and you're wondering why your mortgage rate may be higher than what you're seeing online or what maybe your friend or your relative had recently received for a quote. And there are a couple of things. First is that your credit score. That credit score is going to be one of the major factors in determining what your rate is going to be. So depending on your scores, the higher the scores, the lower the mortgage rate will be. The second thing would be the down payment. How much are you putting down? The larger the down payment, the lower the interest rate's going to be. So you might be speaking to someone that said, hey, I got this rate, and then you just found out that you were offered this rate, a little bit higher. Well, you don't know what their credit scores are. You're not exactly sure what their down payment is. Then the other thing is that rates fluctuate, sometimes daily. So depending on when it was locked in or when you're quoted, that might change what the rate is. And if you're not locked in, maybe your loan officer is just being conservative, making sure that you are approved for a little bit of a higher rate in the event that rates do increase. Another thing is the type of mortgage program. In some instances, certain mortgage programs tend to have slightly better rates than others. So that's another reason why. There are some lenders that have a little bit of a rate hit if you are buying a condo, for example, or a townhome. There are a lot of different, mobile home, there are a lot of different scenarios. Maybe you don't want to escrow your taxes and you want to pay your taxes on your own. There's a little bit of a rate hit for that too. So there are a lot of different things, and I think the best thing to do is to give us a call and we'll explain to you, based on your scenario, the best possible way for you to get the lowest rate possible. And then we see if that fits for you. And if not, then we say, okay, but you require X amount of a down payment. So with that said, here are the various programs available to you with that down payment or your credit score, and here's the best rate possible given that situation. So hopefully that answers your question. And if it does, please hit that like button for me, and we will be able to help you. Just visit us at dreamhomefinancing.com. I'll put the link down below in the first pinned comment and also the description where you could reach us. Appreciate you, and I hope you have a great day.